Hey guys, thanks for joining me for another episode. Today we are working on the fit. I just got a package from Road Manners. If you don't know about Road Manners, I'm pretty sure they are a Canada-based company. They make parts for the GD3, GE8, GK5. They also make parts for the kind of random AE86 Corolla. Today we'll be doing some lighting. They sent me parts for the third brake light. We're going to swap out the red lens for their clear lens and then put an LED bulb in there. And then secondly, the lights. For the license plate, there's going to be two lights we'll be replacing, and then also replacing the trunk light in here with a switchable LED. Everything came super well packaged. They sent me a bunch of stickers, which is super cool. Road Manners. And a keychain. Something I've learned on the fits is that if you're working with anything electronic, you should disconnect your battery because you're probably going to blow fuses. As a reminder, it's a 13 millimeter. To access your third brake light, you'll see this plastic trim piece. You'll just take a pick tool or a flathead screwdriver, and there's two tabs. Down, and this whole thing comes off. And then you want to get a 10 mil on an extension. There's just two. Disconnect that bulb. That whole piece should pop out. So what we're doing is we're going to be replacing this red lens with Road Manners clear lens. And to take this lens out, there's just a couple tabs that we have to push in. And then the kit does come with a LED bulb. Just turn that, take the bulb out. So I just took a flathead and I went in from the top, just pushed those down, and this whole thing just slid out. No tabs are broken. So in the kit, they give you a LED bulb. Just pop off the old bulb, put the new one in. Make sure it clicks. That's good to go in. And then here's the difference with the Road Manners third brake light for the GD3. You get this cool hex comb triangle pattern on the Road Manners. I'm pretty sure it's just a 3D printed piece, but it looks really cool. Getting rid of this, putting this on, and that should go in the exact same way that we took the red one out. Has the tabs, looks identical to the OEM one. So we just take our third brake light housing, and then we'll line up those tabs, pop it in. And that went right in. I didn't have to fight it. It fits perfectly. So we're going to put this back in. So to put this back in, we're going to do it the exact same way. First, we're going to pop this in. There's a holder up here for the wire. Just holding the wire. Take one of your 10 mils, get that started. We'll grab your bottom trim piece, just slide that in, make sure it clips in place, and that is ready to go. Next up, we'll be replacing the two license plate lights. Alright, to replace these lights, you don't have to take off this piece on the trunk. All you have to do is open your hatch, and then I already took this one out. All you have to do is put pressure on this left side, push inwards, and then this whole thing should just pop out. It's in here with these clips, this one clip. So if you push it from the left side, it'll undo this clip, and then you just kind of have to play around with it and fish it outwards, and then it should expose the plug. And then here's the LED replacement from Road Manners. There's just a LED board, then it's clear, same plug. Let's put this one in. So again, you'll find that plug and make sure it's going in the right way. Make sure it clicks. Fish that back in. So the wire on the Road Manners is a little bit long. Just stuff everything back in. And then this is the hard part. You kind of just have to finagle it in there. So yeah, eventually push that in first to the left and then push that down. If you feel like up at the very top, it'll feel like it's not in all the way. But if you feel the other side, it's just like that. I guess because this is on like a hump, that it has to be pitched forward. So it's in. Give it a quick wiggle. Yeah, just make sure that those tabs on the left go in first, and then you click this in. That you'll hear a click. So for the trunk light, you're just going to take a screwdriver, come in from the side, or you can take a right angle pick, I guess. Put out, unplug the light. The Road Manners light is identical to the OEM, except it has a switch. So we're just going to plug that in. Slide that in, and then push. So for the interior light, you can just have it switched off if you don't want it to be on ever, or you just leave it on the left on the on. It will turn off and on. So it's on with the trunk open, and then it should be off, and then back on when I open the trunk.